Hello, my dear friends. Namaskar. My name is Suresh Srimali. Welcome to Astro and Numero with Srimali, your one-stop channel for astrology and numerology. Today, I will tell you about the effect of Sun transit. But firstly, let me tell you about Sun. The Sun, a royal planet of power, authority, and finances. The Lord of Presentation is the father of our solar system, around which all planets revolve. The power of light in the sky, the temperature of the earth, the power of presentation and progress are represented by the sun. The representative of government, administration, diplomats, and public sector working plays an essential role in politics. Sun changes in Pisces from 14th of March to 14th of April 2021. Will Sun become a profit manager for you? Will this transit create a magical impact in your life? Will you get some unauspicious results? Will your business or job reach new heights? Waiting for the answers. Now, your wait is over. A bunch of prediction with lots of happiness is waiting for you. Let's open the box of your future. Let's start with the fire, that is Aries. Business persons will see good profit because of your hard work and smart work. You may have jobs in your hands by the end of the March. If you are planning to start a new venture, new career, you will be blooming with new creative ideas and thoughts. Those who are into sales, purchase, marketing, advertisement will have a fruitful and favorable time. After third week of March, you will meet some creative people of the society which will be auspicious for you. Children in the family will get special benefits. You will have an excellent and happy relationship with your family. Remedy for you is you should wake up early in the morning and offer water to sun after taking a bath regularly. Now let's move to the bull, that is Taurus. You will work hard in the field. Because of that, you will get good results. You may also get a new job before 15th of March. Student natives will get a good result of hard work in their studies. You can buy a new house, new car, or repair your old house. Your keen interest in sports will be increased too. You will be able to spend happy moments with family members. Spend great time with close relatives or friends. You will spend loving moments with your spouse. Remedy for you is you can also donate products made of copper. Now let's move to twins, that is Gemini. Business persons are expected to keep eye on expenses, which may affect their profit. Your ability to work will increase and you will be able to perform quite well at the workplace. Your presentation and language style will improve greatly, which will be beneficial for you in every sphere of life. Students will be goal oriented and highly motivated. You will be blooming with new creative ideas and thoughts. You should take good care of your parents. Try to do meditation with them. You and your sibling may require your support for some of their work. Remedy for you is you can chant Om Grani Surya Namaha mantra regularly. Now let's move to the crab, that is Cancer. In business, you can get benefit from foreign sources after 22nd of March. There are more chances of profit from telecommunication, resources. Players and artists will be able to achieve the desired goals. Students will get their job through their intelligence and skill. You will get financial benefit from your siblings. Those who are in love relationship will share a healthy bond and may go on short day trip with their dear ones. Avoid any outsider to interfere in your personal life, else that might raise an issue. Remedy for you is recite Aditya Hridaya Stotra every day. Now let's move to Lion, that is Leo. Business persons may face financial difficulties, so spend accordingly. You may lose your job. Pay more attention at your workplace. If you are working as a manager, politician, a leader, or in an administrative position, you will be successful professionally, especially after 13th of March. Don't worry and try to finish all your tasks without any fuss. You should not be overdoing something which might turn out to be negative for you. You will spend happy time with your family and friends. You will try to improve your lifestyle, eating, and health habits, or your sleep cycle. You may go on a trip with family or friends. Remedy for you is avoid accepting donations, especially rice, silver, and milk. Now let's move to Earth, that is Virgo. In business, your opponents and enemies may bother you, be aware of them. For professional growth, you can try to change your job on 19th of March or especially after 19th of March. You will establish your identity at your workplace. Students may face difficulties but work hard for better results. You will gain intelligence, and with the help of that, you will be able to make the right decisions. You will make new friends in month of March. Your mental health will be very good. You are expected to travel because of some work. Remedy for you is distribute food to needy people. Now let's move to skills, that is Libra. There will be an atmosphere of tension and conflict in business due to some minor issues. Your work will increase your honor and due identity. Players will do best in field of talent. For the persons who are in management, investments, or someone who guides, you will be successful professionally after 24th of March. Your family notes might get stronger and you would have a great time in future. You will also receive gifts from your grandparents. Try to avoid long journey on Saturdays, but if you have to go, then eat dark chocolate before leaving. Remedy for you is always keep Ganga Jal on the premises of your house. Now let's move to Scorpion, that is Scorpio. Expansion of business is expected, so try to save money. Transport business will also be great, especially after 17th of March. Job related opportunities may knock your door. Artists may get some unexpected results. You will experience good physical and mental health. Be polite to your partner and family members. One can get good news from maternal side. There are many chances of traveling and enjoying your life alone. Remedy for you is never wear blue or black clothes, especially on Saturday. Now let's move to Archer, that is Sagittarius. It would be good for those who want to start a fashionable or fabric clothing business. You can also fulfill your dream of having a new home or car for yourself at this time. You can be successful in achieving a lot of progress in your field of work. Your expenses may increase unintentionally after 13th of March. Your leadership qualities will grow and you will be good at getting the task accomplished. Your leadership qualities will grow and you will be good at getting the task accomplished with your good managing skills. You will be more into socializing and will have fun around with your friends. Your romantic life can be expected to be very luxurious. Relations with your family and friends will be very good. Remedy for you is drop copper coins in a well whenever possible. Now let's move to GOAT, that is Capricorn. If your project of work is stuck somewhere, you will be able to continue it again. The students will have better concentration and their learning skills will improve. If you want to try for a promotion and want to talk to your boss or senior, time between 11 p.m. to 1 p.m. on 26th of March will be best for you. You will be quite organized and disciplined in your personal life. You need to stay away from any disputes related to court or legal issues. You can make idea of traveling to any tourist place with partner. You will be full of energy, which will also benefit you in the field. Remedy for you is put crystal ball in bedroom. Now let's move to the water, that is Aquarius. Those whose nature of business is into luxury products, jewelry, and traveling will witness a rise in their work. You will also get different opportunities to progress in the field, and there are approximate 90% chances of your success. You are expected to get social benefits from a foreign source or female friend. There can be good opportunities for the people who want to influence their love. You can bring yoga and meditation in your lifestyle and tackle the same. There will also be possibility of traveling. Your family life will be normal and you will be able to spend a good time with your close ones. Remedy for you is donate coconut, mustard oil and almonds to religious places of worship. Now let's move to fish, that is Pisces. There will be many opportunities for growth in business with intellectual skills. You will take full advantage of these opportunities. Students will not be able to concentrate on studies due to a dissolution of concentration. So try to avoid studying through gadgets. Buying or selling can be good for you and you can get benefit. Communication skills can prove to be the key of your success. The competitive exams will prove to be favorable for students. If you do a job, then improve your performance so that you can get more and more profit. During this time, you should avoid traveling. Remedy for you is keep a piece of red cloth in your wallet for financial evidence. Dear friends, now I want to convey one message to all of you that the prediction is based on sunshine. However, this is just a special forecast. If you have any personal or professional problems and would like a personalized session, please feel free to contact us via telephonic or video conferencing appointment. You can also WhatsApp us on the given number or drop your queries in the comment box. In the end, all I want to say is to accomplish great things, we must not only act but also dream, not only plan but also believe. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Namaskar.